You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. In English, it has two different pronunciations. In English, pronounced as a noun, this is the plural, pronounced as tears. When you cry, those are drops of water that come out of your eyes. Tears. Now, as a verb, to rip a piece of paper, for example, it's pronounced tears, to tear apart. That's the third person. He tears apart my t-shirt. Tears. So two different pronunciations as a noun, tears, as a verb, tears. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.